Hello, welcome back to Linux Wednesdays, where we look at Linux tips and tricks on a Wednesday. And in this video, we're going to be looking at a program called Ulauncher. It allows you to launch applications through one program, rather than having to go through the menu there and search for your programs. You'll find Ulauncher at https://ulauncher.io/#download. It's available on Debian Linux, so Linux Mint, Ubuntu and so on, Arch Linux and Fedora. And you can install it via PPA, which is a personal package archive. You can download the deb, run it through the terminal, or you can download the Ulauncher 5.14.3_all.deb, which is the one I downloaded. You can install it just by double clicking and press install package. Now, once the package is installed, you can type in Ulauncher and it sits there in the background. You'll know the program is running because you'll see the icon there. Now, to activate the program, you can do a control and spacebar, and you can type in the programs you're looking for. So let's type in AUD. Now, I'm going to go through my system and look for everything beginning with AUD that I've got. So Audacity or the Arduino IDE. And I can click on Audacity. And there we go, the Audacity program is running. If I do a control space and type in TE, for example, you've got Terminal, TeamViewer, Text Editor, Gnote, and so on there. Let's type in, what we've got for K, Camso, KiCad, Clipper, Keyboard. So you can click Keyboard, you can set our keyboard premises. Now the program will just sit there running in the background. You can run other programs, such as we're going to run Kdenlive, which is my default video editor. And you think, I know, I need to edit something in Audacity. You can do a control space and you can do an Audacity. Click there and you can run the program. It's a lot quicker than having to go here and go, right, what's it under, or type and search it in there. Just do a control space. Now, if you don't want it as control space, you can press on the spur gear. You've got preferences, hotkey, you can do control space, which I'll leave it as. Colour theme, you've got extremely light, add waiter, extremely dark, and Ubuntu. Let's do it as extremely light. Now I'm going to do a control space. See there, it's extremely light, and I can type in different things just as I did before. Press on the spur gear. You've got shortcuts. You can add shortcuts. There's one for Stack Overflow, there's one for the Wikipedia, and there's one for DuckDuckGo. Now, when you're editing your shortcuts, if you press Add Shortcut, for example there, give it a name, give it a keyword, query or script, and you can change the icon there. Let me just click on Shortcuts, and if you haven't got an icon, you can then edit it like you got there and add your own icon. Now, if I do a control space, let's type in something like ham radio. And you've got ham radio on the Wikipedia. If I click it there, it runs the amateur radio on the Wikipedia. If I do a control space and type in DuckDuckGo, click there and then DuckDuckGo search, that should take me to the DuckDuckGo search page. If I type in, do a control space and type in CHIR, you see I've got Chirp, BleachBit, Catfish, which is a file search program, the Archive Manager. It's basically looking for things that have got CHI in it. So archive, let's do ARC. You can see there I've got Archive Manager, MAME, so anything AR in there, ARC, appearance, search tool, character map, and so on. This is a simple program called Ulauncher, and if I press here and press on the preferences, you can change the colour, like I said before, change the hotkey, make the program run at login, clear input on hide. You can change which monitor it comes on. So if you've got two monitors, you can have it come on the second monitor, and you can don't hide after losing mouse focus. Add your shortcuts there. Do extensions, so you can add an extension, reload the list, discover extensions, create your own extensions. You get help, so you can do extension API docs. It says here you can find documentation, how to create extensions and custom colour themes, troubleshooting, and follow them on Twitter. Now, if you don't already notice, I'm on Twitter. You can get me on Twitter at 2J4EZ, 26 Tango Mike 062, or 2E0IQJ. Type one of them in there. I'll come up on Twitter and go hit the follow button. And here you got about there. It tells you the program. Copyright. Ulauncher app.gmail.com tells me I'm running version 5.1.4.3. So it was a look at a very simple program called Ulauncher. The program does a lot more than what I've shown you in this quick tutorial. Anyhow, if you found the video of some use and know what to do, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, the other button seems to work too. But as always, thank you very much for watching Linux Wednesdays, and I'll see you in the next video.